Hi guys, welcome to another video of Popper Academy, and as promised in this video we'll see how you can integrate Google Sheets with Popper, and it's pretty straightforward, so let's jump right in. And for that, let's first go to Google Sheets and let's add some headers, and it will be name, email. Let's make it simple and it will be Popper connections or something like that. Yeah, it's fine, I think. We have two fields, name and email, and now we have to create a pop-up or choose from our template where we have two fields like name and email. So let's go back to Popper's dashboard, and now let's click on new pop-up, and from here let's write name, go Google Sheet demo, and we'll choose a campaign integration demo. It's fine. Now let's click on choose from templates, and let's choose one of the template in which we have name and email fields. And yeah, I think this pop-up will work fine for this tutorial, so we'll select this. And yeah, everything else is fine. Name, let's check the email and ID type. Name, okay, required text, it's fine. Email is required, type text, it's also fine. Type will select it to email, and now let's click on next, as this is an integration demo, so we'll skip these and let's click on next. After that, let's search for Google Sheet. Here it is, Google Sheet, and we have to click on new connections. Let's name Popper integration with Google Sheet. Let's click on next, and we have to authenticate our account. Click on continue. Okay, and then we have to click on this choose spreadsheet. Let's choose this spreadsheet, and in our case it's Popper connections, so I'll click on select and I'll select the worksheet. I have to select it sheet 1 because here you can see it's sheet 1. If you have multiple sheets in this, you can choose whatever you wanted your data on. So in our case it's sheet 1, and we have to, in our case you can see we have name and email as headers, so we have to turn it on so that it will not overwrite, and we have two headers, name and email. Now let's simply click on next, and we will kind of select the input field, it's name, and it will be email. Then everything else is fine. Let's click on next, and yeah, everything else looks perfect, and let's click on save and publish. It's done. So now let's check it in our live website. For that, I'll go to websites. Now what I'll do is I'll select the domain, I'll click on go to Popper demo, and I'll wait for pop-up to appear. Here it is. I'll enter my name, I'll enter my email address, and I'll click on this button. So I think it should be done. So to check that, I'll go back to my Google Sheet, and yeah, here it is. I got my name as well as my email address. So yeah, it's simple and straightforward, and that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.